What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to make a quick video here on using the Ktuner. I myself looked through YouTube as much as I could. I couldn't really find anybody that showed me how to do this, at all. Basically, I just kind of went through the Ktuner software and stumbled upon it. So hopefully this video will help you guys out, because I couldn't find one on how to do it. But I do have a CATLESS downpipe on my car from PRL, and you get a check engine light with a CATLESS downpipe because of the O2 sensor. It's not reading right, obviously, because the piping is different. So you go into the Ktuner so you can figure out, go in there and disable basically the O2 sensor, so you stops your check engine light and you don't have to see that thing, even though it's not a big deal. Nobody wants to see their check engine light on there. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick how to go into the Ktuner and go ahead and disable that O2 sensor. So real quick, you gotta go through the normal steps of tuning. So you're gonna go to File, New Tune. You pick on your car, which is gonna be the only option. Go down, click on this to make it blue. Then you want to go down to, let me see if I can focus there. Go down to Next. There it is. Click on that, and then all your little tunes are gonna pop up. I keep it on the dual starter, so 21 psi, and factory when the eco mode is turned on. Go down to Next. Still thinking. There we go. And then this is gonna pop up all your stuff, the new map. What you want to do is go up here. I believe is under, well, let's check main parameters. Yeah, you got all your little things here. Rev hag, two-step. Let's see where that's at. Okay. Here we go. You want to go right there to disables / monitors, and you want to check this box right here, the P0420 for catalyst efficiency. You want to make sure that that has a check next to it, because that's basically what's going to turn off your O2 sensor. So leave everything else the same. All you want to do is just click on that one right there to make sure that it has a check next to it. I'm gonna go down here, make sure that I still got my, yep, gotta redo that. So if you did tune this before, like I did the other day for the race mass airflow from PRL, you have to do it again. So here we go, click on that. And then we're gonna wanna go up here to the top and upload the base code. You see we are connected, you can tell because it's green down here. So you can see, as long as that's green, you're good. Well, let's try to focus here again. There we go. Come on. I know the glare is focusing on the glare. But yeah, after you click on all your settings you need to do, you can even go back, make sure they're still there. Yep, still checked, so that's good. So we're gonna go ahead and upload. You're gonna get a little notification here. I'm gonna click on yes. And then if you've already got yours all plugged in, which I am, I'm here in the car, as you can see. Got it all plugged in. Go ahead and flash now directly to the ECU. So click on that. It's gonna go ahead and start preparing and start doing all its thing. It's uploading. Alright, here we can see it's flashing. Did not disconnect. You can see down there at the bottom in the yellow saying it's flashing. All the lights on the dash are going on again. So we just gotta wait here and let it do its thing. Let that finish getting to the end. This could take a while. I don't know if it's my internet speed or my laptop or what, but everybody I've seen on YouTube says that they complain about this taking forever, so it could just be normal. I don't think it has to do with anybody's crappy computer. It could just be something that takes a while, so just be patient with it. Try not to hit your cords or anything off the computer, while you're doing this, because you don't want to have to restart. That would suck. Alright, here we go, just about done. There we go. Now just follow the on-screen instructions, obviously. You're going to want to do that. Press the key vehicle off for a few seconds, turn the key back on, and wait a few seconds before hitting OK. Total time 7.6 seconds, I'm going to assume. So just go ahead and turn my key off, wait a few seconds, say 1, 2, 3, turn the key back on, wait a few seconds, 1, 2, 3, and then hit OK. And there we go, flash successful. Click OK to continue. And that's it. Should be all done. Let's go back to the main layout. Yep, there we go. Everything's all set and your car's flashed. So yeah guys, there you go. Just wanted to show you that real quick on how to get that all set up in case you do decide to go get a CATLESS downpipe, which to me is 100% worth it. Just the sound that it gives the exhaust is amazing. It's something everybody should get on their Civic. But yep, that's how you do it. Go ahead and turn off that nasty check engine light with the Ktuner. So I hope this video helps some of you guys. If it does, please give a like, subscribe, browse the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos. And yeah, y'all have a good day, guys. Take care.